Mutuum is not the first DeFi lender, but it may just be the leanest and most community engaged among them all. Let me tell you more. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Mutuum. The link to this will be in the description of the video. Right off the bat, guys, you will see that they have already raised more than 13 million. It is actually close to $14 million on their phase 6 alone of their pre-sale. Now go ahead and check this one out. Mutuum is redefining decentralized lending by offering a lighter, more intuitive alternative to the legacy protocols like AAV and Compound. So this is built, guys, with that mobile-first mindset, and Mutuum simplifies the DeFi experience through a super easy-to-navigate interface and that user-friendly design that everyone is looking for, which makes it ideal, especially for the new users that are entering the decentralized finance space. And guys, of course, I would strongly suggest check out their website as well when you do your own research. It has a ton of information that you will definitely be able to gather once you do your own research. You have also their white paper. So if you click on this one, it will take you directly here. This has a ton of information, guys. This is actually what I would strongly suggest that you start doing your research because it has a lot of information. And when I say a lot, there is a ton of information that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them better on who they are, what are they doing, and what are the benefits as well as the value that you will be able to get once you're invested with them. And of course, what are the roadmap stuff? What are the things that you can expect in the future? Because a project has to continuously grow, right? Continuously improve and all that. Now, at its core, Mutuum remains fully non-custodial and transparent. All lending and borrowing activities are actually governed by audited smart contracts, which ensures that the users retain control of their assets while engaging with a secure, open protocol. And guys, unlike many platforms out there that rely on aggressive token inflation to drive their yield, Mutuum delivers that competitive interest rates through an efficient and sustainable economic model. They don't just implement something, they base it off fairness for them and for the users as well. So what sets Mutuum apart is its agility and the focus. All right, so instead of spreading across overly complex systems, this platform is intentionally designed with a smaller, more targeted approach, more targeted ecosystem, and a flexible pool structure that allows for fine-tuned strategies and user preferences. Now, the result is a streamlined experience that is both powerful as well as accessible for all the users. So the community is central to the Mutuum vision. So rather than rigid top-down structure, development is guided by community feedback and that participation as well, which ensures that the protocol evolves with its users' needs in mind. Now, guys, this is their roadmap right here. Okay, so if you would like to know what they have already done and what are the things that they would still be going to do in the future, as well as what they have in current, you will be able to see that right here. Okay, so again, guys, when you do your own research, all you just have to do basically is head on over to their website, and there's a ton of links out there and information that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them already. So guys, whether you're a beginner that is looking to explore DeFi or basically a seasoned participant that is seeking cleaner, smarter alternative, Mutuum is actually offering a secure, mobile-optimized gateway to decentralized lending without the clutter and the complexity. So basically, guys, just head on here. Okay, I would of course strongly suggest that you also follow all their social media platform. That way when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. And you have all their links right here, their X, their Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, and their Discord. It is at the bottom of their page. Just click on it. It's going to open a new tab with that specific social media platform already. So if you are new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.